Namaskar. This is a notification for new batch for IS and OS at Cuttack starting from 8th February 2021. So the PDF of this video is available in the description section. You can download it for reference. So why you should join Arohan classes? Because here you will receive personal guidance due to the small batch size. Okay, so the faculty will ensure that each and every student, okay, care is taken of their study needs for the exam. Then all our courses are integrated batch courses. All our integrated batch courses are till success courses, means till you crack the exam you can continue with us, and without any extra course fee. There is a small batch size of around 20 students. So what happens is each and every student's writing skill, okay, we basically check that and we improve that. Okay, we try to build that so that in the mains exam, okay, you will get good marks. Next, exclusive study materials and test series. Most cost effective education, because if you compare with other institutes, our total course fee is less than only GS course fee of some of the institutes. Okay, excellent previous results which you can see in the WhatsApp videos and the YouTube videos in our YouTube channel. Okay, previous year toppers videos you can see. All classes are recorded also, so there is no chance of missing a class. So in the classroom batch, suppose you are absent for 4-5 days due to some reasons, so you will not miss anything. Okay, you will get the videos in your student dashboard. So even if you have attended the class physically and you want to revise or you want to go through what has happened, okay, in that class, so there also you will get the videos and you can go through and analyze the class again and again. These videos are completely without restriction. That means there is no restriction on number of playbacks. You can replay it any number of times. Also, there is no validity issue. That means after 15 days it will be deleted or something. It will remain in your dashboard, okay, till your account is there, right? Next, this is especially for those who are preparing for UPSC. So special answer writing batch for UPSC by the faculty, one of our faculties who has cleared the UPSC exam 3 times. He has got a rank in the UPSC civil service exam 3 times. So he will be taking general studies and sociology. But this batch is a special batch and is available in the Bhubneshwar Center. Okay, so this is on 3 days, Saturday, Sunday, that is GS, and Wednesday is sociology. So you can go to the Bhubneshwar Center and you can, okay, take advantage of this batch. Then study room and library facility. So February 8th, it is starting at Cuttack 10:30 a.m. Okay, and there is basically both classroom and online. Okay, and it includes your general studies, optionals, compulsory papers, tests. Okay, and study materials. All the things are included in it. Optionals at Cuttack. Online, all these optionals are offered. Offline at Cuttack, we offer 3 optionals, that is home science, okay, we offer geography, and we offer sociology. So you can also, those who are unable to come to the physical classroom, you can also take advantage of your online program. Advantage of online program is you can study according to your own pace. As I told you, all the videos are without restrictions, so anytime you can schedule and study according to the time available to you, especially the working students, those who are in a job. Study in the safety of your home. Okay, those who are little bit apprehensive about COVID situation and otherwise, you can study in your home also. Same facilities including printed study materials as classroom students. So it's not that for online batch we will provide only PDFs. Okay, we provide the same printed material to our online students also, and it is cost effective, means it is half of the course fee of the regular batch. So regular batch course fee if you are interested to take only GS, SA and compulsory is 40,000. Each optional is 25,000, but if you are taking the total course, it is 50,000. 80,000, sorry. If you're taking the total course, it is 80,000. If you're paying in lump sum, just ask the office, they will give you some extra fee waiver. If you are interested in the weekend batch, that means Monday to Friday, the regular classes you will get through videos, and Saturday, Sunday you want to come to the center, so that is the course fee is 50,000. Okay, and videos of all regular classes Monday to Friday, Saturday and Sunday you have your classroom, and same study materials for test and test series as for integrated regular batch. If you are taking the total course online, then the course fee is 40,000. Okay, and here also you have some contact classes. 2 Sundays in a month you will have contact classes where you can come and ask your doubts. Those who cannot come, so these contact classes will be live classes. You can ask your doubts also online, live. Okay, and study material will consist of general studies around 14 books and optional 2 books for each optional. Test CDs prelims 70, mains 40, optionals 30 for each optional. These are apart from the daily tests and the answer writing. So if you have any doubts, you can WhatsApp me at 9437002210. You can call Bhubaneswar Center 76840 or you can call Cuttack Center 73259 04599. I wish you all the best in your preparation. Thank you.